All right, we're going to start this 1926 International Harvester 6 horsepower Model M engine. First thing we need to do is get a little bit of fuel up in the carburetor. This is gasoline, and we're putting in here so we have enough prime to get started with. I'll pour that in there. We'll shut the plug up here so we don't get too many fumes going everywhere but where they should be. Now I'm going to choke this baby. We're going to open it up about half a turn for fuel here so we have a little bit extra to get it going. And we set this to retard our time because we don't want it to get too, we don't want it to fire ahead of time or it's going to try to go backwards on me. So now I'm ready to try to turn it over. It'll take a turn or two to get some fuel up in the piston there. Let's see what we do. Oh, how about that? Advance it. We're going to turn off the choke and we're going to set our fuel until we get rid of our black smoke there and get some good efficient combustion going here. There we go. We got the valves going here now. This engine runs the exhaust valve and it's just suction pressure that opens the intake valve. There's the fuel pump. There's the magneto. Every time that goes forward, we get one little spark just at the precise time. And doesn't that sound cool?